Meaning of insolvency.
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 Insolvency. Insolvency refers to a financial state in which an individual or organization is unable to pay off their debts as they become due. Essentially, insolvency means that liabilities exceed assets, making it impossible to meet financial obligations. The result of insolvency can be bankruptcy, which involves court proceedings to decide how the individual or organization's assets will be distributed among its creditors. Insolvency can have far-reaching consequences, including damage to credit ratings, legal action, and even loss of property or personal wealth in severe cases. It's essential to take steps to avoid insolvency by managing finances responsibly and seeking professional help when needed.